So this is just a little test video to illustrate that I want you to make sure you read any type of boxes that appear in my videos. Don't just blow past them. Make sure you read what's in there, because I might be talking about something else and I needed to change something in the video, and perhaps I don't want to re-record the entire video, and I just want to point something out that I forgot to point out, or maybe I misspoke. So instead of re-recording the entire video, I put a little box in front. And so watch for the box and make sure you read it. The box is going to appear right now. Read the box, and in future videos, when you see the box, pause the video, read the instructions, so you make sure you do what the information that's given to you in the box tells you to do.